Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome all to witness again to some of the latest tech gadgets. We all get amazed when we counter new designs and concepts to some unbelievable gadget that can be used on a daily basis. In this series you will find a new set of amazing and cool products from the unique tech players in the world. And of course, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Because in future there will be a lot more cool and smart gadgets coming your way. So let's start. The first in the list is Gel Blaster. Gel Blaster is the next evolution of fun. They are safe, fun and affordable, just enough sting to make it exciting. From this you can shoot non-toxic, eco-friendly, biodegradable gellets with just enough sting to make it exciting. Just add water. The gellets explode on contact, evaporates on impact, it feels like getting popped by a rubber band. And immediately begin to disintegrate, leaving no mess, and no cleanup. Quick and easy refill. Experience the next evolution of fun. So moving to the second in the list. Meet Race Mouse, which connects without a receiver, easy to control for laptop, smartphone, iPad and tablet. Race Mouse is a must-own gadget for modern life, ultra-portable, multifunctional, powerful travel mouse with universal compatibility. This mouse has a 40+ hours battery life. It's a perfect all-in-one solution for control in every situation. A good-to-have device for every working professional. Next is Mobvoi. Please like and subscribe. Ever thought of a situation wherein you can control your earbuds through gestures? So introducing Mobvoi, which is the next gen earbuds from TicMotion. Mobvoi has the head gesture controls, multi-touch controls, on music, phone calls and voice assistant. Dual mic noise cancellation, independent connection, up to 50 hours of battery life, ergonomic design, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 water and sweat proof. What else you need in a smart earbud? A good option for an smart earbud user. The next smart gadget is ClickBot. It is not just a robot, but it is your family's newest friend. He listens, he thinks, and he even reacts. His personality is contagious, and his playful design makes him even more lovable. His expression and interactions are marvelous. This can be converted into different modular robot as you wish. It is made by Smart Building Blocks, with nearly 50 predefined robots out of the box. But it doesn't end here. You can make close to 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. More than that, he's an engaging teacher that knows how to make learning fun. It can be programmed as you want it to. You and your kids will love it. Last but not the least, meet the robot painter, Scribet. Scribet is a world-first write and erase robot that allows you to transform any vertical surface into any canvas you wish for. With Scribet, you can print different types of images on your wall every day. Scribet is an intelligent writing robot that can draw with 4 markers at a time, and with 8 colors provided, the possibilities are endless. Draw and erase as many times as you want. Scribet can safely draw, erase, and redraw content an infinite number of times, allowing you to choose a new wall decor every few minutes. So guys, if you have not liked the video yet, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe and set the notify button to all, so that you don't miss these products in the future. Meet you next time. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Bye and take care.